So I attended the PLAB Guide Smart course 3 weeks before my exam, and it was very helpful. The course comprised of high-yield scenarios which were very relevant to the exam, and mostly I found similar content coming in the exam, and we got to practice those scenarios with Dr. Amber, and then they have Dr. Kumar. They really help you work on the structures and improve how you do those scenarios and try to score the most in them. And then doing.
Hello everyone, my name is Yusma. I just cleared my PLAB 2 exam, and if you're in the process of preparing for PLAB 2, I know that the most frequently asked question is which academy should you join. And after getting my result, I can confidently say that joining PLAB Guide was the best decision I ever made. From day one, they teach you a structure-based approach. They don't make you cram anything, no scripts at all. So due to that reason, you're not stressed like other people I've noticed from other academies. They're quite stressed. So because you're not memorizing anything, everyone has a unique style, and it really helps.
Hi guys, this is Dr. Aska, and I took PLABGuideAcademy's SimMen and Medicine course, and it was really helpful, and I highly recommend the course.
Hello, PLABGuideAcademy. I did the SimMen course and the clinical examination, and it was very helpful for me. In the PLABGuideAcademy, I did the SimMen course and the clinical examination, and it was very helpful for me. In the PLABGuideAcademy, I did the SimMen course and the clinical examination, and it was very helpful for me.
Anyway, it actually puts one in the exam situation for you, and I think it's actually an awesome experience. I really want to get my feedbacks and see how much I can work on some things I need to work on for my main exam.
How was the SimMen in your mock?
Oh, the SimMen was like.
Okay, so actually, to be honest, I'm very happy that I took this step and attend this course, because previously I was just revising the notes of the other courses, and this course, to be honest, makes me feel in a different point of view, in different angle of view, let's say. And yeah, what was concerning me the most was the practical part of the exam, and it was very, very, very efficient with me.
So to give a quick review of our PLAB Guide Smart course, it has been one of the best decisions that I've made coming here for the Smart course. The tutors and Dr. Rasha, Dr. Ahmad, they've been brilliant. They've helped me develop confidence and point out my errors and the mistakes that I had been having before coming here.
Hello, my name is Jadia, and I'm studying for PLAB 2, and I've just taken my mock at the PLABGuideAcademy, which is perfect organized. I definitely suggest everyone who is preparing for PLAB 2 exam. Thank everyone to the tutors, examiners, patrons. Yeah, thanks everyone.
Hi there, this is Dr. Reem, and this is my feedback for my experience in the PLAB Guide Academy. First of all, I want to say Alhamdulillah, I passed my PLAB 2 exam from the first attempt, so Alhamdulillah. And I want to thank a lot of people for this experience. I want to thank the Academy for the opportunity to meet new brothers and sisters, great new brothers and sisters from different places around the world.
We practice with pens, right? And they follow a script. Okay, over here, it's not like that. The scripts are totally changed. Okay.
The simulator for paracetamol overdose.
Checkmate.
I've done this case before, but checkmate.
I would get admitted. Why did you think that?
So, now we need the class one.